contribute with your heart, and yes, bring Thansa. Forget who's Jamatya, forget who's Dev Burma, forget who's Tripura, who's Koloi, who's Rupini, who's Uchoi, who's Garo. First, think like a Tiprasa. And only the youth can do it. You are in Dharmanagar. When you go to Dharmanagar, do people know you are a Halam or a Dev Burma or a Jamatya? They say no. ये तो पहाड़ी है, बुकुम्बरा है. जब आपको सब लोग एक ही समझता है, तो आप क्यों अपने आप को अलग कर रहे हैं? पहले अपना ग्रेटर तिपरलैंड लो, उसके बाद बात करते हैं किसको क्या मिलना चाहिए. पहले एक होकर कुछ लो, उसके बाद देखेंगे क्या होता है. ये मेरा पॉइंट है. थैंक यू. थैंक यू सर.
And to all, my name is Lexama Debarma. Currently, I'm pursuing my honors graduate degree in psychology subject at ICFI University, Tripura.
Okay.
So my question to our Pubagra is, what is the weakness of Tiprasa in Tripura?
The weakness of a Tiprasa is our leaders, not the people. The people are very nice. The people are genuinely, they love us. I love you, Puja. You'll never be a good Hindu. Same way, if a Tiprasa leader is giving a
is our VP, Vice President of Commonwealth College Council and College Council members. Everybody let him put them. He has the first College Council there. Thank you.